Hey, you can open them, mister.
Look what Daddy got you, honey. Yeah.
You can sit on it right here, buddy. Look.
Go ahead and sit.
All the way down, you go backwards. In the middle, you go like a turtle and go slow. And if you push it all the way up, you go fast like a rabbit. But you have to sit on here first.
Wow, that thing's really big.
Uh-huh.
Yep, it does have batteries.
Hold it down.
Whoa! And he's gone. And don't go into the flowers, baby. Turn the wheel. Stop.
Backward.
Reverse. There you go. That's awesome. All right, now go forward. You can go into the backyard.
Drive all the way to the back.
Whoa! That's super cool, honey.
Go, watch where you're driving. Wow.
Wow. Kissing him. That is so cool, honey. Backwards, forward towards Mommy and Daddy. Oh, you're going to hit me. Ah! That's awesome. There he goes in the neighbor's yard. I knew that was going to happen. Backing up. Beep, beep, beep. What? Ah, you coming at me again? Ah! That is so cool.